Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to sync data in X. Syncing data ensures that your information and preferences are up to date across multiple devices. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Look for the app icon and tap on it to launch the application. Once inside the app, locate the account icon. It's usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 2. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Settings and Support. Tap on it, and then tap on Settings and Privacy to proceed. Step 3. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section titled Accessibility, Language, and Display. Tap on it to access the specific settings related to accessibility and display options. Step 4. Among the accessibility settings, locate and tap on Data Usage. This option allows you to manage how X utilizes data on your device. Step 5. Within the Data Usage settings, you'll find the option to Enable Sync Data. Tap on it to activate the sync feature and ensure your data is synchronized across devices. Congratulations! You have successfully synced data in X. By following these simple steps, you can keep your information and preferences consistent across all your devices. Syncing data in X enhances your user experience and streamlines your interactions with the app. Thank you for watching, and may your data sync in X always be seamless and efficient.